Hey Alex, I spoke with Kristen this morning at the office, and my name is Lee Terbianic, and I was doing some research and I found your website, so I figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can begin today to beat out your competition online. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how I can help grow your business, just give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this video at the end. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things I want to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is anything that you see on this homepage in writing, and even what these pictures are and what they're saved as is considered content. And Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a homepage. Therefore, you got to think Google is only a bot that can read. So if you don't have enough information on your homepage with these special keywords that we'll get into listed throughout, then it doesn't know what to rank you for, nor will it rank you high for it either. So as you can see, you guys maybe have 200 words max on your homepage, so it's not very optimized in Google's aspect. But as we do a search for Plumbing Columbus, Ohio, we see the Waterworks is in first place. So I wanted to see what kind of content they had. And as we scroll down, you can see they don't really have much content either. Maybe 150 to 200 words as well. So if you go out and get that 1,500 words of keyword optimized content, then you will be easily beating them in that aspect. The second thing I'm going to go over is this Google front page. I'm going to break down Google for you. This top section is all ads. Now these companies are paying big money to be up here, and it's very costly, and 9 times out of the 10 your clicks are bogus clicks. And I know I never go up here when I'm looking for a service. I'm going right here or down here to this organic section right at the top. So let's touch base on this. Now this middle section is called the GMB or Google Map Pack. As you can see, this Waterworks is in first place for that. Now what dictates your ranking in this section is called a citation. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook's even one of them. And the more citations you have, more stronger citations you have than your other competitors, the better. So I have this tool I use, it's called WhiteSpark CA, it's a local citation finder, and I plugged in the Waterworks' information, and as you can see he has 19 citations. Now the good part about this tool is we can go in and all his citation sources are listed right here to be submitted for your business. Now these aren't created equal either. This DA is the domain authority. That's how much authority that it's basically the power that it's giving out. By having this source. So as you can see, 100 is the strongest and it goes lower and lower. But we would grab all these and then go out and get 80 to 100 more for your business. Really swamp these guys out and beat them by a landslide. And also that's getting your name, address, and phone number in more directories across the web so people can find you when they're looking for your service. So that's what ranks you in this Map Pack section. Now this third section, this is the organic section. This has to deal directly with your website. So as you can see, the waterworks.com is in first place. And let's go over to this other tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. I plugged in your guys' website, and this will give me a basic overview of all your stats and your backlinks and your referring domains. So your backlinks is what ranks you in this section. Now a backlink is when one website links back to another website. I'm sure you've seen them somewhere where there's blue hypertext on a website, you click it and it takes you to another website. Well, that is considered a backlink, and Google counts them as votes. The more backlinks you have pointing at your website from other websites, the higher you will rank, because that's one website vouching for you and saying, yes, I will send my traffic to this website. It's trustworthy and legit. So back to Ahrefs, as you can see, you have a score of 28 and 25. This UR is the overall strength of your actual website, and this DR is the overall strength of your backlink profile. And this goes from 0 to 100. So 28 and 25 isn't that bad. You want these numbers as close as possible together and as high as possible, so you're doing good at keeping them close. But you only have 60 referring domains giving you 1,000 backlinks. And just like the citations, these aren't created equal. These do follow links are the ones that transfer power, and you have 26 of them. So not very optimized for Google. But let's look at your competitor. He's got a 42 and a 26. The Waterworks, as you can see, he's in first place. He has a 42 and a 26. A little bit better, more trust, but his DR isn't much higher. He's got 220 websites giving him almost 2,000 backlinks, but only 97 of them are transferring power. But just like the citations, we can click in here and all his sources are listed right here for us to go in and get and submit for your business. We know it's powering his website, it'll do the same for yours. So I wanted to touch base on your keywords, and this is why it's important to have that 1,500 words, because all these keywords are exact phrases that people are typing into Google each and every month. So as you can see, you're ranking for RotoWorks, that's people looking for you directly, but we want to focus on these general keywords. Columbus plumber, 150 people are typing that each and every month looking for a Columbus plumber, and it's a 33 KD. Now a KD is keyword difficulty, 0 being the easiest to rank for this keyword, 100 being the hardest. So that's a 33, and you're in the 12th position. That's the second page. No one's going to go to the second page when they need a plumber now. Plumbers Columbus, Ohio, 600 searches for that. That's 600 jobs a month that people are typing looking for a plumber in Columbus, Ohio. Let's keep going. Plumber Columbus, 250. You guys are 16th position. Columbus Plumbers with the S, 150. 15th position, second page. Plumbers Columbus, Ohio, 450. Plumbing Columbus, Ohio, 500. Plumbing Works, that's a general keyword. Plumbers Columbus, 150. Plumber Columbus, Ohio, 150. So as you can see, there's tons of plumbers in Columbus, Ohio, 50. There's tons of search volume out there. It's just you're not ranking on the first page to grab them. So when someone types Columbus Plumber, Ohio, you want to be right here where Waterworks is, because then it's going to pull most of the business. And if you're up in this section as well, you'll be getting 60 to 70% of all people looking for a plumber in Columbus, Ohio. So let's touch base on what we talked about. First thing was content, at least 1,500 words on your home page so we could fit those keywords throughout, 1 per every 100 words, so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing. Second thing we talked about was citations, and that's your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. You want to get maybe 100, 200, 300, swamp these guys out and get your name out there as much as possible for people to find you when they're looking for your service. And the third thing we spoke about was backlinks, and that's when one website links back to another website, and that's what powers your website to rank. So you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. Totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Alex, and thank Kristen for getting this video over to you guys. Like I said, any and all feedback is greatly appreciated, and thanks for watching.